We'll guide you through how to share your ChatGPT account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Now, while ChatGPT doesn't offer a direct share account feature, there are a few steps you can take to allow someone else to access it. You need to navigate to the settings or account management section by clicking on your profile icon, usually located at the lower left corner of the screen. In the account settings, you can choose to update your password. If you want someone else to access your account, you can temporarily change the password to something both you and the other person can remember easily. Once you've updated the password, share the new credentials with the person you want to give access to. Make sure to communicate securely. So consider using a secure messaging app for this purpose. It's important to remember that sharing your account might expose your personal data or settings to other users, so proceed with caution. After the other person is finished using your account, you should immediately change your password again to maintain security. This way, you have control over who can access your account, and when by following these steps, you can effectively share your ChatGPT account with another person. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.